In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change account owners in Salesforce. This is a crucial skill for managing your team's workflows and ensuring proper access and responsibility on your accounts. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the app launcher in Salesforce. You know it's that little grid icon, typically found on the top left or right hand corner of your screen, depending on your Salesforce version. Once you click on the app launcher, a search bar will appear. In this search bar, type Accounts and hit Enter. This step is essential because it helps you quickly locate the Accounts tab among any other applications you might have. When you find the specific account that you need to change the owner for, click on it. It's important to note that this might require you to scroll through a list, especially if you manage numerous accounts. Take your time to ensure you're selecting the correct one, as transferring ownership by mistake can lead to data access issues or confusion within your team. Once you have the account in sight, click on the account name. This action will open the account's full record page. It's like opening a book to ensure you have all the details laid out in front of you. This page houses all the key information and fields that matter. Next, look for the owner field. Sometimes it might be labeled as the account owner field. You're looking for the current owner's name because beside this, you'll typically see a small icon that says change owner or something similar. Go ahead and click on this icon. Doing so is kind of like telling Salesforce you're ready to hand over the account keys to someone else. A new window will pop up once you do. This window is where the magic happens. In this space, you can select the new owner of the account. Salesforce makes it easy to find the new owner by allowing you to search for users by typing their names directly into the search field. At this juncture, you may notice that there could be additional options allowing you to transfer ownership of related records. This means you can decide if any related opportunities, cases, or contacts should move along with the account ownership. Giving this a bit of thought is crucial because it affects how integrated systems communicate and operate. Once you've made the decision about the new owner and any related records you want to transfer, you're ready to finalize everything. Simply click the Change Owner button. This action solidifies the change, effectively passing the account and any associated records to the chosen individual. And there you have it, a seamless transition to ensure your Salesforce records are in the right hands.